Alright, so I harvested a bunch of bell peppers and tomatoes from the garden this morning, and I wanted to share how I de-seed my bell peppers. Cut the top, cut the bottom. And then you're going to cut right here, and then you're going to start here, and you're going to go all the way around like that. Voila. Look, there's the seeds, and there's your bell pepper. From this point, you can, slice them however you want, or dice them however you want, but that is the easiest way. And then, watch this. This pretty much just comes right out. The stem comes right out. Sometimes you will want to, once you get the stem out, see that? There's going to be some hidden dirt down in there. So then just take it back over, see it there? Then just take it back over to the sink and rinse those. Use all of the areas that you can, including the bottom. I don't discard this at all. I use it up, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to de-seed. You don't have to cut it in half and then dig your hands in there and pull it all out. It's like literally you just go around it with your knife in those 3 spots and it's done. I hope you found this helpful, and happy cooking to you.